Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Jira with Power BI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you want to start by navigating to your Jira dashboard. Log into your Jira account and ensure you're on the homepage where you can see all your work and tasks. Once you're at your Jira homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the Settings option. Clicking here will take you to the main Settings menu. After accessing the Settings menu, the next step is to click on Apps. This is where you can find and manage all the apps associated with your Jira account. Here, simply click on Explore More Apps option from left side menu. This section is designed to ensure that you can integrate various applications that suit your business needs, Power BI being one of them. With the Apps section open, you will now see a search bar. In this search bar, type Power BI. Upon searching for Power BI, you will see a list of results. What you're looking for is the Power BI Jira connector. Click the Power BI Jira connector from the list of search results. This will direct you to a page that provides detailed information about the connector, including features, benefits, and user reviews. Once you've navigated to the Power BI connector page, one of the first things you will notice is the Try It Free button. By clicking this, you will start your trial period, which allows you to test the software and evaluate its benefits for your organization. Now you've successfully started the process of integrating Jira with Power BI, and your next steps are about configuration and data selection. And that's it. So that is how you can connect Jira with Power BI. So that's all for this video. Thanks.